Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2018 Mercedes GLE350 maintenance light reset. We are going to use this button right here, the call button, the OK button, the up and down arrow, and we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car to the first. If you have the key, go ahead and turn it to the first position. If you have the push start, go ahead and press it once. And go ahead and press back and make sure that you are at the main mileage. If you're not, go ahead and use the up and down arrow to go find that main mileage. And once you get here, go ahead and press the call button and the OK button at the same time, but go ahead and press the call button first and then the OK button within maybe a split second from each other. I'm gonna put the phone down real quick. I'm gonna press on the call button and the OK button and hold it there for approximately 5 seconds, and this will show up. Okay, now once you get here, go ahead and use the up and down arrow to go find Assist Plus right there. Go ahead and enter on it with the OK button. Scroll down to Full Service. OK on that. Scroll down to Confirm Full Service. OK on that. Scroll down to Yes. OK on that. This one, actually, it's up to you. Okay, now scroll down to Confirm and go ahead and press OK for Confirm. And there it is. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.